My shame.
Agricultural land belongs to the president.
Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you are okay. Look at what Mnangagwa is doing to people of Zimbabwe. People of Zimbabwe are working hard in other countries, working like slaves to build their homes in Zimbabwe. But look at what their president is doing to them. And what is happening in Zimbabwe is so painful because Zimbabweans think they have land in Zimbabwe. They are even mocking South Africans that you don't have land, land belongs to white people. But look at what is happening to them right now. They don't know what these people played them. When they chased away white people, they promised them that we are going to own land. But that land does not belong to Zimbabweans. If Zimbabweans were owning land, they will not be scattered all over the world looking for greener pastures. If you have land, you have everything. They don't have land in their country. Their government fooled them to say we are taking back the land from white people, we are chasing them away so that we will share this land with you Zimbabweans. But Zimbabweans does not have land in Zimbabwe. And we've been telling them that stop lying to yourself. You don't have land in Zimbabwe. That land belongs to the ZANU-PF. Zimbabweans will never have or own land in Zimbabwe because even the land that their great-grandfathers left for them, they are not enjoying it. They have to run away from the same ZANU-PF. Whether you have or you don't have a land in Africa is the same thing because our governments in Africa, even us here in South Africa, they are busy fighting for land. That we want our land back, we want our land back. Because we are not fools as South Africans. We know that the ANC want to take that land, even Malema. We cannot allow ANC to take land and enjoy it alone. ANC and ZANU-PF is the same thing. ANC want to do the same thing. They want to take the land and own it, not to share it with us. That is what their plan is. We want our land back. They want to enjoy it alone. That is why you see even Abo Malema, they are making a lot of noise. They want the land. They want the land. They want to own it alone, not with us. They don't want to share it with us. So we don't want to be fooled like Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans today, they are regretting their actions. They are regretting why they allowed Mugabe to play them. So that is why you see all these Africans convincing South Africans to chase away white people so that we will be like them. So instead of them to tell us that, hey, South Africans, you are smart, they decided to say the opposite, to say we are fools. But we know that they know the truth. So let's watch the video, guys.
My shame. Ngathi kuthamba wani. Ngathi kuthamba wani.
So now I understand why the Bible say for a rich man to enter the kingdom of God, it will be like a camel enter an eye of a needle. Ama-politicians awasoze alibona izulu, especially lawa wala e-Africa, awasoze alibona izulu. And they must know that these tears will not fall on the ground, they will fall on the hands of God. Their blood and sweat when they were working hard to build these houses. Angeke kuvele kuphele kanjalo nje.
Glenview Pacaudonia vapunza Glenview complex vapunza vanhu vasvikira vanhu vana nawe vadestroya macontainers ese evanhu furniture yevanhu vapunza vanhu vecancel. Everyone is suffering.
Agricultural land belongs to the president, not you. And your commitment shifts from party vision to government vision, fortunately.
Athine Africa usathane siyamazi shem. Thine Africa usathane siyamazi. Even if tomorrow bakutshela ukuthi uyesihogweni, there's no need to fear because wena uyamazi usuhlalile naye. Uma ufika laphana uzobe ungamboni okokuqala. It will not be your first time to see him there. There's no need to panic. There's no need for you to fear because uyamazi uphilile naye. Angeke ufane namanye amazwe oThailand oChina when uzobe ubona abantu vele obaziyo. You are used to that lifestyle. You are used to these people because uhlalile nabo uphilile nabo all your life. So those who will be lucky to go to the kingdom of God, they will have challenges because they are not used to a soft life. Yibona abantu abazoba nenkinga labo because bazobe bebona impilo abaqalayo ukuyibona. So on the other side vele ngeke kuze kube strange because vele uzothola uRamaphosa noMnanganga. Vele abantu vele obuphila nabo obajwayele. Iyona ke impilo esiphilayo. Sisethogweni. As long as we are still in this continent led by these people, iyona impilo esizoyiphila nje.
Several homes in Belvedere, Harare, have been demolished by the Harare City Council, leaving numerous residents in distress. The affected residents expressed shock and dismay, claiming they received no prior notice or eviction orders from the City Council.
Kunyanya ndishungurudza ndekuti takanga tikapazirwa sina notice. Izvezvi tarara panze nevana mosquito ichitiruma.
But no one will call Mnangagwa inhuman. Africa will keep quiet. The UN will keep quiet. The human rights will keep quiet. No one will call the president of Zimbabwe umuntu ongenabo ubuntu. Kuzothuleka. Angithi it's not South Africa. Angithi it's Zimbabwe. But if it was here, iyona love of iyona unity of Africa le esibonayo. Where is Africanism in this situation? Where is human rights? Where are those people? Where is UN? Uma abantu behlukunyezwa kanje. Iyona unity esitshelwa ngayo ke le yase Africa. Akuyona self-hate le. Akuyona Afrophobia, akuyona self-hate le. But when it comes to South Africa, whoa, hi, the whole continent will be on fire. Ukuthi aninabo ubuntu, Afrophobia, this and that. But because they are doing this to each other, it's okay. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.